Hello, what's up? Ali here, and today we are going to share the best way how to fix some non-working PS3 games. You can apply this fix on dump and injected format. Well, if you are not yet familiar with that format, injected format are those games that are installed on the cross-media board or on the main menu of the PS3. Just like what I have on this one, Dungeon Defenders, and Need for Speed Rivals. These are injected games. And dump games are installed in some game managers like Multimag. Let us go ahead and start with our dump. So if you have any games that are not working, either giving you a black screen or simply hangs, first run a test, press triangle on the game, then test. Here we will see we have a big file and a split file. If you run this game, it will simply not work since PS3 cannot load any games with split files. But if you don't find any split files on a game after a test and it still does not work, we have to enable the BD mirror first. To do that, go back to the game, press triangle, then game settings, then check the BD mirror. This is the most basic fix of all dump games that has no split files but are not working. Now back to our game, if it has a split file, we can either run a PS3 game merger, but you'll need a third-party application to do it and a PC. But I will show you how to merge the games using the PS3 itself. Press start and select on your controller at the same time to enter your PS3 file explorer. Then choose PS3 root, dev HDD0, then games. Here on this folder, we will see the dump games installed on our PS3. Now highlight the game we will merge, press circle, then copy. Now press left on your controller to go back, go to PS3 ISO, press circle, then paste as ISO. This will convert the game to ISO, merging it to a single file. Now we'll just have to wait for it to finish. This will definitely take some time depending on the size of the game. After the conversion, you will find two copies of the game. The ISO version is the one with the city icon on top. You may now delete the other one and let us go ahead and try this one. In case you have also have this copy, if you try to load the dump file with the splitted files, you will be stuck on this part where the dagger will just keep on spinning and won't proceed to this part. If you encounter this error, just go ahead and convert the game to ISO and run the ISO format or the ISO version. Now let us proceed on our injected games. For the injected games, sometimes you will just see a black screen, sometimes you will see a message that the game data is corrupted, and sometimes you will just get your PS3 hang. So in case that happens, if the game is injected, simply change the update file. You will see the update file in the game data utility. So just delete the file here that is having some issues. So in our case, the Need for Speed Rivals, just triangle and delete. By the way, you should be connected on the internet to be able to do this. So once you have deleted the update file, just highlight the game, press triangle, and check for update. So most of the time, this will fix any injected games with issues. Alright, so for the injected games, any issues can be fixed by simply updating the update file of the game. If you have updated its game data but it's still not working, you simply have to re-inject the game. Now going back to our dump games, so if you have any dump games that are not working, you can just simply enable the BD mirror. If it did not solve the issue, then check or run a test on the game. If it has any split file, you have to convert the game to ISO. Now, if you have already done those stuff but still did not fix the issue, then there are still some things that you may do, like changing the e-boot, but it may require some multiple attempts to check which version will work, and I definitely don't recommend that. If a game will require a couple of steps and tries to fix them, then it's simpler to just re-download the game. Re-downloading the games is a lot easier than going through a number of workarounds just to fix the issue. Now, if you prefer merging the files using your PC, or you find converting the game to ISO using the PS3 takes so much time, I will show you a method how you can convert the game to ISO using a PC. For this, we will have to download the PS3 ISO tool. So just open the link that we have provided on our description and click on this area to download the file. So once you have downloaded the file, just run the program, and you will get this message the first time you run this program. Just click on OK, and here you will have some option like create an ISO from dump, split ISO, or modify the ISO. So what you want to do to merge a splitted file by creating or converting them to ISO, we have to create an ISO. So just leave the rest to default and press continue. Here you will have to browse your game. In our case, it's saved on our download folders, and select your game and click on OK. Then on the next pop-up window, we will choose the folder where we are going to save the converted game or the converted ISO. Let us just go ahead and place it on our desktop. Now we have to wait for this whole process to complete. Now, after the conversion has been completed, you will see a log and you will know if the conversion has been successful. So once you see here the status OK, that means that your file has been successfully been converted to ISO. Now we can go ahead and transfer this to our PS3. Just make sure to transfer this in the PS3 ISO folder in your PS3. So that's it for our video. If you still have any questions or concerns, please go ahead and share them on our comment section and I will definitely address them. And if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will definitely see you on the next one. Bye-bye.